questions on how to do a between the legs dribble. And so I'm about to break it down for the beginners that don't quite know how to do it and they aren't just settling for keep trying it and see what works for you. What I want you guys to do is start with your feet equal to each other, and then I want you to move your right foot up so that the heel of your right foot is equal to the toe of your left foot. The next thing that you guys are going to be doing, you guys are going to be trying to dribble the ball from your left hand to your right hand. And this dribble with your left hand, you should try to hit the heel of your right foot. At the same time you're doing that, you're going to shift your body weight onto your right leg almost completely. So what it's going to look like is like this. Boom, boom. Right foot forward. Try to dribble it at the back of your heel, right behind your heel. Good.
Instead of pushing down where it hits your legs, you're going to dribble low and push through. Point your finger to the other hand. One. I'm going to teach you guys how to go through your legs. You ready? When you're small and you first start out and you dribble the ball, you usually push down. Now, if I dribble the ball straight down, it's going to come straight back up. So it hits your legs, just like that. But what we're going to learn to do is push through. I want to go 1 foot in front of the line, 1 foot behind, right here on this circle. Ball down. Good. So if I'm using this line, I'm going to roll the ball back and forth, just like this. Back and forth. Is it hitting your legs? Is it hitting your feet? No, it's going straight through. It's because I'm pushing almost like I'm pointing my finger to the other side. Instead of pushing down where it hits your legs, you're going to dribble low and push through. Point your finger to the other hand. One. That's how you
Basketball for Beginners, Shooting Edition. Every shot starts with balance, so make sure your feet are underneath yourself and facing the rim. Eyes on the target. Locate the rim early and stay on it throughout your shot. Follow through high. This will add consistency to both arc and ball rotation. Remember, becoming a good shooter does not happen overnight, so get to a basket and start working on your...
Here's how to dribble behind the back for absolute beginners. There's 2 ways to do your behind the back. The first way you'll want to learn it is more like a regular crossover. The only difference is it happens behind your back. Don't dribble the basketball soft, because if you dribble it soft, it won't really end up in your other hand. Now you're gonna have to turn and look at it. It's not effective. So give it some force and make sure that second hand is down low waiting to catch the basketball. A tip that can help you is to slap your butt. That way when you release the dribble, it will end up in the same spot every time. As you get better, you might want to think more about your wrist hitting your butt so that hand gets even lower. Also, make sure you got your butt back and down so you can dribble under your butt. If you do this too much, you might hit your feet. From there, you'll want to work on the wrap behind the back and getting footwork involved. Follow to catch that. Take all your moves next level in minutes with the free workout at gethandles.com.
Here are 3 things you should be doing every single day if you want to become a better hooper. First thing, you really want to be working on your handle if you want to end up breaking some ankles. Next, you're going to want to get shots up with the shooting workout. Go download the Hoops app. It makes it super easy to count your shots and track your progress. Last but not least, you're going to want to get some strength and conditioning in. You're going to want to do some sort of weightlifting, plyometrics if you're trying to get your bounce up, and then also you want to condition so that you're in the best shape possible for when you're hooping. Follow me right now for more dope content and share with a friend.